Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So again, we're looking at definitive or the edge token. The reason I'm looking at this token is because after making this one of the biggest scans, like in just 1 month, when the token actually end up going over 1100% or even like over 1200%, it has finally settled down. So the token after hitting like 91 cent, it is going down, and as of now it's down like 58%, and it can continue to go down or it can see a massive reversal as well. So that is the reason why I'm looking at the token, so I thought I should cover it again. So anyways, let's look at it. So after this massive launch, the token did peak on this news. So basically, when they announced that their cross-chain swaps went live, the token basically peaked and it started to go down after that, as you can see here. So this was the news, or this was a sell the news kind of thing, as you can see here. Now after that, they had this, like they integrated with DFlow to bring deeper liquidity and faster fills for every trade on Solana. So what this means, this makes a definitive exchange or decentralized exchange more effective for the Solana traders as well. After that, they did like some kind of announcement, or you can say some kind of tutorials on how you can swap USDC straight into Hyperliquid's native token Hype, which you don't need anything else. You just need to do that very easily through the definitive. After that, they also did show that it's official Base SZN. You can do like buy any asset on Base from any chain with definitives cross-chain swap. So that is really good. You can buy Aerodrome on Base with any token. You can trade any asset with any other chain. So that is really good. So this happened after the cross-chain went live, as you can see here. Now if we talk about the exchange, again the volume has gone down. So this is the revenue. So they did peak back on August 20th, as you can see here. That is when the token actually peaked, as you can see. But after that, the revenue has started to go down, so that's not a good look. So it seems like that the thing that was pushing the token higher was most likely Avalanche, as you can see here, back from August 18th as well as August 20th. So it was like Avalanche, so that is really interesting. It actually ended up overtaking even Base, so that is really interesting, I would say. Now again, if like Avalanche trading takes off, it could look really good for the definitive. So let's see what happens. But overall, I think this is unexpected, to be honest. Anyways, now I'm not sure if they have any buybacks or not. If they have any buybacks through the revenue, it could also be pushing the token higher as well, because they could be injecting this revenue into directly to the token as well. So that is possibility. Again, if you look at the trading volume has gone down significantly after like hitting and peaking on the exact same day when the token started to go down. And as of now, they are not doing that well, I think. Again, it did happen exactly like back on August 10th. As you can see here, the volume did go down. So if we just try to look at what was happening with the edges price on August 10th, this is how it looks like. So token was basically doing this like correction, but after that, on August 14th, as you can see, and that is when the token started to go up. So like exactly like from here when the trading volume went up. So as of now, I think if like trading volume goes up, we could see a massive reversal, but if not, I think the token can go even slightly lower. Now before we look at its price, you need to understand what the edge token does. So basically, you can stake edge to unlock real-time induced trading fees, so that's pretty good. And you also get some advanced features as well, and users also get reward for the activity, so that is good as well. Now this will be in the future, so they could be sharing the revenue with their edge token, like stakers as well in the future. So that is a possibility. Now the reason why I think the edge basically ended up doing really well would be their institution and funds. As you can see here, a lot of institutions are most likely using the edge, and I think that pushed the token even higher, as you can see. So basically Definitive can set a bespoke organization account with a multi-user permission in the sub account, so and they are also a decentralized exchange, so this was really big one. So basically it is attuned to the specific needs of hedge funds and liquid funds and other OTC and other institutions, because they are a multi-chain and they do have a fee, you can say they do have like fee discount model through the token. So that I think could be the reason why the token did see a massive surge, because of these most likely institutional traders or even these hedge funds. So that is my guess. Anyways, now as of now, this is how the setup looks like that I just drew. So we have 2 or 3 possibilities as of now. The token can like go and trade like side, it can like do this downtrend, and once it hits like this support zone, which is somewhere around 33 to 26 cent, in between that I think it may actually push above from this downtrend. So if it like pushes above from this trend line, if it sees a breakout, we could see another run, possibly as high as 50 cent or even higher than that. There is possibility. But if it like continues to, so if it like continues to reject on this trend line, we could be looking at retest as low as 21 to 17 cent, and if this trend line continues even more, I think we can go as low as 14 to 13 cent. So it can basically eat all of its gains as well. But again, it seems like there is a pretty big demand for the edge token, at least from, I would say, from these big investor sides. So I think like hitting 33 to 26 cent and going up and breaking above from here would not be that bad. So let's see what happens. But overall, the token will most likely struggle in 1 year. So after 1 year, starting in April of 2026, there will be a massive unlocks for the investors as well as for the team. So that will most likely put edge on a pretty rough path, I would say. So that is still like it still has a lot of time, but before that I think the token can like make a big gains, especially if they announce more news, like if they announce some exclusive feature for the stakers, and if they announce like some kind of revenue sharing method or something like that for the stakers. I think the demand for the edge could go even higher. So that is a possibility. But again, as of now, I think as long as it remains below this trend line, as long as it remains below this trend line, it is I would say bearish. So as soon as it breaks above from this trend line, I think the token will most likely see another massive surge. Anyways, let's see what happens. This was it. I just want to cover this token after this massive crash. As you can see, like over 50, like what is it, it is like over 58% market crash. So again, if we try to use like fib retracement exactly from where the token start to go up, I think we'll get a pretty good idea. So again, if we use fib retracement, this is a pretty good zone to buy in, especially when we use fib retracement. So as of now, it is really good entry point for the token. As you can see, I did see a pretty good response here as well, and if not, we can go as low as 25 cent as well. Anyways, this was it. I just want to cover this token. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.